Forest Service says that massive brush fire is 70% contained. We've continued to follow this throughout the day. It's also estimated to be around 25 acres in size, and the cause is still unknown. Let's take you right to that video. As earlier today, we spoke with people throughout the area that have been affected by those fires, to people rushing home to make sure their homes were okay, to others being asked to evacuate by authorities. Take a listen.
Luckily, I was able to get home safely here through all the traffic to try to protect my home.
We had a knock on the door about an hour ago, and they said that they're evacuating all the houses on our road because of a brush fire.
Well, he woke me up and I was startled and confused, and I said, well, what information do you have? And he said, I don't have any. They said, just leave. So we came out and there was smoke everywhere.
We're seeing a lot of traffic, a lot of emergency vehicles. We've seen 2 helicopters bring in bags that filling up from the pond and then dumping over and over again.
I've been living in Florida my whole life. I've seen brush fires, never seen anything like this before.
We also have video that viewers were sending us right to our Fox 4 newsroom that showed all of that backed up traffic along I-75. I know a lot of you were also calling our newsroom to find out what was going on. So you can see that traffic here. Much of the area had to be shut down from Bonita Beach Road to Corkscrew Road so that crews could continue to work throughout the area on those fires. Eventually, Florida Highway Patrol confirmed that the left and center lanes of I-75 North are back open tonight. Now let's also show you video from our ODOT cameras, which show just how much of that smoke was throughout the area today. Again, according to Florida Forest Service of Caloosahatchee, the fire reaches from Kent Road to East Terry Street in southern Lee County. Now, we have no update on what exactly caused this fire, but you can trust we here at Fox 4 will continue to follow up with more information regarding this wildfire. Meanwhile, the Cypress Camp Trail wildfire has now reached 9,722 acres. That's according to South Florida National Parks and Preserve Fire Prevention and Communication. So we first told you about this fire on Tuesday, April 4th, and now that fire is 40% contained as of 7:40 p.m. tonight. Now that's up 30% from Friday. Now the fire is burning in a mixture of grass, brush, and pine. We know that multiple response crews have been there on scene providing assistance and trying to suppress that fire. So that includes the National Park Service, Bureau of Land Management, Fish and Wildlife Service. There's a lot of people that have been trying to contain this fire. There's no evacuations or road closures associated with this fire, and the cause of that fire is also still under investigation tonight.